Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Substack app. As you can see here, I've already logged in. So as you can see, home following right here, you will see the post of the people or brands that you have followed. All right, featured right here. This is pretty random from people around the world. Down here under cybersecurity and these tabs right here, gadgets and other stuffs. This is basically the niches that you have selected the time that you have created your account. All right, as you can see, media, digital media, culture, technology. You can go ahead and browse through these. For example, culture right here, as you can see. Then let's go back to home. And in here, we'll be able to see lives from different people across the world and a post from them. All right, here at the bottom, there we have our inbox, the media, all right, where we can play videos or audios. Let's say, for example, we want to play this one. Hit on play. When we tap on back right here, the audio will still play in the background, all right? Down here under chats, this is the direct messages. And you can go ahead and chat with the subscriber right here, all right, if you do have one. Down here under activity or notifications, you will see notifications about likes, comments, and replies, and etc. Now, when you tap on your profile right here, as you can see, I have my own Substack or publication, and I already have created a newsletter. All right, if you want to add some friends right here, just go ahead and do so if you want to. Now, when we go head over to settings right here at the very bottom, as you can see, you have your creator stats, accounts display. If you want to change this one to dark mode, go ahead and do so. Autoplay media, go back. Your payments right here, privacy and safety, feedback, and also support. All right. I'm going to show you how the Substack publication looks like, or the dashboard. There you go. You can manage your subscriptions here as well, or share a publication. That's basically how you use the Substack app. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.